Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from EgyptAir's Economy Class Amenity Kit. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So, believe it or not, EgyptAir actually does have an amenity kit for Economy Class, and here's what you can find in it. So you've got a couple of sanitary wipes there, got eye mask, socks with the EgyptAir logo on it, some earplugs, toothbrush, toothpaste, headphones, a pen, and the pouch that they all came in. So those are the contents of EgyptAir's Economy Class Amenity Kit, and honestly I was surprised they gave this out. Actually surprised with my whole flight, but you'll see, you'll hear more about that in my review of my flight experience on EgyptAir. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.